The Galaxy S22 is a popular and powerful smartphone that is known for its impressive performance and high-end features. However, some users may experience issues with cellular signal loss, which can be a frustrating problem. In this video, we will show you how to fix a Galaxy S22 that keeps losing its cellular signal. But before we proceed, we'd appreciate it if you could support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Now let's dive into the troubleshooting steps. First solution, restart your phone. Restarting your phone can help fix temporary glitches that may cause signal loss. To restart your Galaxy S22, press and hold the power button and the volume down key until the power options appear. Tap restart and then confirm it. Now wait for your phone to turn off and power back up. Once the reboot is complete, try to see if the problem still occurs. Second solution, toggle airplane mode. Turning on and off airplane mode can help reset your phone's cellular connection. To toggle airplane mode, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the quick settings menu. Tap the airplane icon to turn on airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds, and then tap it again to turn it off. If this doesn't fix the problem, move on to the next solution. Third solution, check network settings. Ensure that your network settings are properly configured. Just launch settings and then tap connections. Select mobile networks and make sure that the network mode is set to LTE, 3G, 2G, or Auto Connect. If your phone is set to a specific network mode, try switching it to Auto Connect and see if the problem is resolved. Fourth solution, update your phone's firmware. Make sure that your Samsung Galaxy S22 is running the latest software version. Launch settings and then tap Software Update. Select Download and Install. If there is an update available, download and install it. Software updates can fix bugs and improve the performance of your phone. Fifth solution, reset network settings. If the above solutions don't work, you can try resetting your network settings. It is necessary in some cases because it can help resolve issues related to cellular signal loss. When you reset network settings on your Galaxy S22, it restores your phone's cellular network settings to their default values. To reset the network settings on your device, follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap General Management, then select Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings and confirm by tapping Reset Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock, then tap Reset to complete the process. Additionally, resetting network settings can also help with issues related to Wi-Fi connectivity or Bluetooth pairing. It clears all saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices, so you'll need to set them up again after the reset. You might also have to call your service provider if the problem continues to occur even after doing all these procedures. We hope this troubleshooting guide has been helpful for you. If you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to reach out for assistance. Have a great day.